Alright, here is an Carousell listing for my Huawei Nova 5T purple. If you're interested, leave me an offer. It just comes with the phone itself. It's not mine. My relative changed new phone and give it to me, and I have a few phones I don't need it. So everything works well, no dead space or anything. Purple color. Here's the back of it. Sides. I don't think not can see any minors. Detect any scratches. No. So more about the phone. Okay, 8 gig of RAM, 128 internal storage. Pretty not sluggish, and pretty good speed. I'll probably put it up around $100 only, but with no box of no charging cable or anything. Just the phone itself. Interested, leave me an offer. Thanks for watching.